Drive in my CRZ potentially. The date is the 16th? 14th. So it's 14th September. We're driving to basically go and pick up the Model S. And yeah, be an interesting evening, put it that way. Okay, so this is potentially the last time that I drive my CRZ and with Georgie and picking up the Model S. Okay, so we are now at IKEA in Cardiff, and as you can see, it's the first time I'm charging the Tesla, just after picking it up. So, and we're using the electricity pump. Currently we've done 0.01 kilowatts, so we're literally 1 minute in. So yeah, happy that I'm able to charge it on the first day, definitely. So yeah, I'll see how much we get from going around IKEA and coming back. We've just let's pinch that. Oh, I can't zoom out. We just did a successful minor shopping trip in IKEA, basically because we need to use the charger. So in total it cost us about £2 to charge for 45 minutes, which is the maximum time it allows you in IKEA, but it'll give us a £6 discount code. So in total these two items would have been £20, and they were 14, so obviously if you can do quick math, that's fine. And yeah, successful. Okay, so as you can see, the electricity receipt for the charge at IKEA, it says you charge the vehicle for 47 minutes. I'm assuming there was a couple of seconds counted for the pairing when basically the light on the Tesla goes green and the charge point is obviously saying connected to car. So as you can see, within 45 minutes it's charged 8.3 kilowatt hours at a cost of 30 pence per kilowatt hour. Obviously this is massively offset by the fact that you get a £6 discount code fee for charging your car at IKEA. So obviously you make a profit on that in a way. So £2.49 for the total charge. I'm not going to knock. I think that's a very good price. Normally UK households are anywhere between 10 pence per kilowatt hour and well 30, I guess, if it's an awful tariff. So yeah,